To find gallbladder 34, put your finger on the outside of your dog's hind knee, right about here. Now move down so you're off the knee bone, like this. You'll be in a little bit of a depression that's between two bones, the tibia bone and the fibula bone. Activate this point by rubbing the area 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times, like this. We're at the knee, we're at the side of the knee, now we're down, we're between two bones, and right in this spot I'm going to activate it. Now find and activate gallbladder 34 on your dog's other hind leg.